Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you a little exercise for hammer-ons and pull-offs using the major pentatonic scale. And don't forget to subscribe and to like. Now, in this scenario, I'm going to be using the A major pentatonic scale. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do the hammer-ons on the way down the scale and the pull-offs on the way up the scale. Now, this is what it's going to sound like and look like. So we'll start here on the 5th fret, 6th string with the middle finger, play that A. We'll hammer on with the pinky on the 6th string, 7th fret. We'll go to the 5th string with the index finger on the 4th fret. We'll play that and we'll hammer on with the pinky on the 7th fret. We'll go down to the 4th string, 4th fret with the index finger and hammer on with the pinky on the 7th fret. We'll go down to the 3rd string with the index finger on the 4th fret. We'll play that note and hammer on with the ring finger. On the 2nd string with the ring finger on the 5th fret, we'll hammer on with the pinky on the 7th fret. And we'll end it on the A on the 5th fret, 1st string. Then the way back with the pull-offs, we'll hit that A again on the 1st string, 5th fret. Then in the 2nd string, we'll take that pinky on the 2nd string, 7th fret. We'll pull it off till we get the
ring finger on 5th fret, 2nd string.
Then we'll come down here to the 3rd string, 6th fret with the ring finger. We'll pull off to the index finger on the 4th fret. Then we'll take the pinky finger on the 7th fret, 4th string. We'll pull off to the index finger on the 4th fret, 4th string. Then we'll take that pinky finger on the 7th fret, 5th string. We'll pull it off to the index finger on the 4th fret, 5th string. And then we'll end it here up on the 7th fret, 6th string with a pinky finger, pulling off to the 5th fret, 6th string, using that middle finger. So going down and going up. I hope you enjoyed that exercise using the major pentatonic scale for hammer-ons and pull-offs. And don't forget to check out my other videos.